In this lesson, I will be discussing the difference between the undo on the quick access toolbar and the undo that you will see in the command line in several commands such as line and trim. I'll also discuss the redo command and something to watch out for on that one. So first, let's talk about the undo command. So let's say I'm drawing some lines, and after I draw a couple of lines on my screen, then I will see down in my command line the option both to close but then specifically to undo. And then again, I also have the undo available up on my quick access toolbar. So what's the difference between those two? Actually, quite a bit of difference. The undo in the command line actually looks at the last segment that I placed. So if I place a bad segment and I want to undo it, I can either click on it in the command line, and that will undo that segment. I can also type U and enter for undo, and that will undo that last segment. And you can also right click and choose undo in the shortcut menu that pops up. Notice in each case that just simply undoes the last segment. I could continue clicking undo, and one at a time it's going to undo the previous segment. So notice that I've never escaped out of the line command. So if I place quite a few lines, and let's just say I had one goof up, didn't mean to place that line. If I go up and choose this undo on the quick access toolbar, AutoCAD reads that all as one line command. So when I hit undo, I lose everything. Fortunately, I can hit the redo command and get it all back. Now, something to watch out for in the redo command. When you undo, you're able to undo basically to when you opened up this drawing and started making changes. And then technically you can redo as well. So I can undo, and that simply got rid of my drawing again. I can redo and bring it back. But the thing to watch out about the redo is if you do anything in between the undo and the redo, you lose the ability to redo. So I'll show you what I mean. If I click the undo key, notice that the redo is available for me. On my screen, I'm just going to zoom or pan a little bit, and all of a sudden, I've completely lost the ability to redo. So be very careful if you're undoing and there's a chance that you might need to hit a redo to pull back whatever you had just undone. You want to be very careful not to accidentally roll your wheel or pan or anything else like that. And then that way you will be able to use your redo tool.